What's up, Spicy Monkey from 808. Today we're going to install a coilover system on a up-and-coming Genesis. Stay tuned. Show you what's up. Partial tutorial, do-it-yourself action, and all-around goofiness. Okay, we got the cars on 2 jack stands. And moving the front suspension. We need to take out these 2 bolts like that. Don't forget to disconnect the brake line here and the end link up here. Next would be to remove these 3 and we'll take the unit out. Don't let it drop like that though, that was bad. Not damaging, but not smart. Right now we got our CX V2 racing coilovers. These pretty red. We have to jack it up quite a bit because we don't have sound. Show the links because the socket is not working. This machine is freaking out too much. So in eager or overestimating, we lengthen this shock body from about here to here, assuming the height. Stock setup. Now we're sitting on the 245, 35, 20s. Of course, you gotta wait for the spring to settle, and you still have to do the rear, so hopefully it comes up a little bit more. I'm not taking pictures. I'm taking video. Oh, wow. So currently, lock ring. Same time, and very. I mean, now because I haven't touched America.